when I do the actual testing with you, we look in your ears first. If there is wax, we remove it. We make sure that we have tested your middle ear system with something called tympanometry. We test acoustic reflexes. We test the inner ear with otoacoustic emission. And then we test your hearing in a large sound booth where you have specific calibrated headphones. We have 2 different kinds, and we are testing the thresholds that you have to sounds. Then we are testing your ability to hear words, having you listen to words at different loudness levels, and testing your ability to understand words and sentences in noise. So we're going to find out everything we can about you, and we're going to go over the test results up on a screen and give you copies of those test results so that you can discuss it with your